Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the update flow. First, check your Windows 11 build and free 20 GB or more. This avoids mid-update failures. Once done, create a system restore point and backup important files to an external drive or cloud so you can recover if needed. Make sure the laptop is plugged in and on a stable network, wired Ethernet, or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi is best. Now open Settings and go directly to Windows Update to start. You'll now perform the core update steps and handle common mid-process issues. In Settings, open Windows Update and click Check for updates. Install cumulative and feature updates one at a time to reduce conflicts. If a download or installation stalls, run the built-in update troubleshooter, then stop Windows Update service and clear software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders to reset the cache. Also, temporarily disable third-party antivirus and unplug printers or USB drives so device drivers don't block the process. You'll finish the update and apply final recovery steps if needed. After installation, reboot the PC a couple of times and confirm update history lists successful updates. That ensures services restarted correctly. If an update still fails, run sfc/scano to fix corrupt files, then dism with restore health to repair the image. These often resolve installer errors. If problems persist, use the media creation tool for an in-place upgrade, which preserves apps and settings, and try creating install media as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.